Hello Amazon viewers, welcome to my bathroom closet here, and you can see I got these handy organizers. These come 4 to a pack. You get 2 of the bigger ones and 2 of the smaller ones, so you get 4 of those. There are different configurations you can buy as well. I kind of like these because the top ones you can use for cosmetics, and then a little bit larger bottles you could use on the bottom. Now, one of the things I will say is you can see right in here, there's this little nub, and there's one hole on the bottom as well. Once you actually kind of click those into each other, they're not going anywhere. You click them in and you can lift them off, but you can see those nubs stick in there, so they're staying pretty tight. There isn't anything to separate the sides, so you can see that, you know, they're a little bit uneven. For somebody OCD, that might kind of bother them. They don't click in on the sides together. Another thing about this is if you were to buy other smaller units that you would have here on the top of these, there's no little hole to click in, so you couldn't do a configuration of like 2 of the smaller ones on top with the larger ones on the bottom. So let me kind of show you just how much these hold. Now you have the little drawers here that pull out, which is good because it's going to keep these things in place, but it's also going to keep them from dust and that type of a thing. You can see it's fairly easy to open and shut these drawers here. Once they're in, they're completely protected. There is a little bit of a gap in here that dust or insects or whatever could get in, you can see, but you know, that's kind of small potatoes. And then the finger grooves here are very easy to pull in and out. You can see just how much I have in here. I have a lot of soap and shampoo, mini cosmetics in the top one here. In this top one, I have longer things if I have extras of something so I don't run out. You know, I have extra hairspray in here. I have travel shaving cream for my travel kit, extra toothpaste, and then an extra razor in there. And you can see it goes in pretty well. Then on the bottom, I have cologne and some other you know, bigger bottles and that type of thing. Here's some refillable soap for the bathroom dispenser and that type of thing. A lot of lotions that can stand up. And then I have quite a few more of these little hotel size shampoos and soaps and that type of thing in the bottom. So you can see how much that holds. It holds a lot of stuff. They're very durable. They're very rigid. You know, they're clear on all sides all the way through, except for that front part where, you know, they're kind of put together. But you can see on top what's in there. You can see in the sides pretty much what's in there, and you can see in the front what's in there before you even pull them out. They are really helpful for organizing a closet, and I do recommend them. I probably will be ordering more. The only thing you could say about these that isn't that great is the price is fairly expensive. This is almost $40. It's almost $10 a container, which is on the top side, but you know, from a function standpoint, I think it's worth it.